Welcome to Reggie Beatz Media, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a website for your business for free using WordPress. Okay, so as you can see in front of me, I have my WordPress dashboard open, and if you don't know or if you don't have WordPress yet, don't stress. The link is in the description below or in the pop-up up there. It will take you through step by step on how to set up your WordPress. Then once you've set up the WordPress, you can come back to this video. This is a fresh new install, meaning that I haven't done anything to it, and currently if you just hover over our home icon to see visit site, opening a new tab so you don't replace this tab, you can see that this is how it currently looks like, and I didn't do anything to it. It's just the way it comes when you set up WordPress. It comes through set up like this. So I'm gonna close this, and now we're gonna get started with our development. So first thing first, we need to select a theme, right? So we're gonna go to appearance and go to themes. So you're gonna search for a theme called Hello Elementor, and I'm choosing this one because the sky is the limit. So Hello Elementor, click on install and click on activate, and you're gonna see here at the top it will say thank you for installing Hello Elementor. Now you need to install the Elementor plugin, which is the most powerful WordPress page builder plugin. I use it on all of my website. Click on install Elementor and click on activate plugin. Okay, so now we have to go through this wizard, which is just to set up our website, and you can see the first step is to log into our account, and you don't have to because it's free, so I'm gonna skip that. And now the site name, so give your website a name. I'm gonna call mine, so this website will just make it for a recording studio business. I'll just call it, let's say, Ultra Productions. I'm gonna go to next, and now here you can select a logo that you want. So if you don't have a logo yet, you can skip it, and I'll just close it for now. I'll come back to add the logo later. Click on skip, and now so it's asking you, do you want to start with a blank canvas or you want to start with a template? Well, we're gonna skip because you're gonna use a different service to get started, so you're gonna skip both of this. And now we are brought to this page, which is our first page. This is where we're gonna be doing our home page development. So just gonna click on publish and don't do anything on it. Then you're gonna click on those menu and click on exit, decide later, and you're gonna click on the W, the WordPress logo, and you're gonna go to plugins. You're gonna add another plugin. Go to add new, and the plugin you're gonna add is Elements Kit. So this is the plugin we're gonna be using to get our design templates. So we're gonna click on install, click on activate. Alright, now we have our two main plugins installed. We just need one more third one as well. Click on add new plugin and search for header and footer Elementor. Alright, here it is. It has 1 million active installations. It's a very nice plugin. Click on install, click on activate. Okay, now we're gonna install one last plugin, which is called contact form. Click on install now and then activate. Alright, cool. So now we have everything installed. Now we can start designing. So let's go back to pages, and here you will see this page that was created when we first started the Elementor. Just click on quick edit so we can rename it to home, because it's gonna be our home page. You can also copy that home and paste it here. Now we have our home page. Click on edit with Elementor. Alright, so now we get to this page, and you can see it just looks bland, and we have this icon here. This is the Elements Kit icon. So click on add Elements Kit template, and here is a list of free templates that you can add. So you're gonna keep on scrolling here where it says pages, and we're gonna scroll for a template that we can use to get started with. So it depends on the type of business you want to make, but as you can see, there's a whole lot of templates, and the same approach that I'm gonna apply to this is gonna apply to any of these templates here. So let's just scroll down and see if there's one that looks a bit okay. Let me scroll up. if you're doing like a digital marketing, this one will look nice, but we're doing a recording studio, so I'm gonna choose this one. I know it says consultation, but I'm gonna flip it, so it even says business. So actually this is the best one. Click on insert and wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so now we see we have our page fully set up all the way from the top to the bottom. We're gonna start editing a couple of things so you can make it look like what you want to make it, so it can look like a recording studio, right? So first thing first, we need to edit this banner by removing the background picture. Alright, let's click on those 6 dots right there. It says edit, and here on your left you're gonna go style, and you'll see it says choose image. You're gonna click on choose image. Gonna drop that image here. Okay, you're gonna click on select. Alright, now we see it looks more like a studio. So you're gonna scroll down and go to background overlay, so you can put a bit of a dark overlay so that you can see the text. Click on classic. The color, can select any color you want, whatever feel you want to give your website, but I'm just gonna select dark for now and just gonna make it like this. Yeah. Okay, so let's change the wording. Just click on the wording that you want to change, and you're gonna say the best recording studio in South Africa. Right, and then here you're gonna say, so this text here, you can just click on it, or you can click on the side there. Here you can just say music, voice over, and let's just say podcast. Then you can just also change the title description here. You can say get the best quality in town for affordable price. So let's scroll down and you get this section where it says industries. So here you're gonna change this into services. So you're gonna click on it, and then here you're gonna type services. Then here click on the small descriptions, or here subtitle, title description. I'm gonna say our what we offer. Keep it simple as that. So here you're gonna start editing this information to make it our services. So just click on this one. I'll start saying offer music recording. I'm gonna click on the next one, say podcast production. Then here I might click on voice over recording. Then there's one, audio restoration, and this one equipment rental. This one will just say live sessions. Alright, so now we have our services written up. All you're gonna do now is change this images so they can match. So this is music recording. I'm gonna click on the icon, search for music. Now we're gonna add the music. Looks more like it now. So I'm currently fast forwarding as I change the images or the icons for the rest of the services. Live sessions. This looks like it's live. Alright, so now we have this set up, for our services. All we're gonna do now is change the text in here. So music recording. So to make it easy, right, we're gonna let ChatGPT help us. So let's just click on update and preview changes. Wow, doesn't look bad at all. So now we're gonna copy all of this. Gonna go to ChatGPT, add a new chat, and say, please add the correct description, subtitles for the services mentioned. Make it 1 sentence each. The current ones are wrong because they came with the template. Alright, paste everything here. Now it should give us the correct music recording. Alright, capturing, perfect. Okay, gonna copy this now. Go back to our page by music recording, paste that there. Then go to the next one, podcast production. Then paste. Okay, now we're done with that. So now we're on to the next section, which is about our recording studio. So here you just need to put an image that shows recording studio's background. Delete that one. Now click on choose image and I'm gonna drop this one right here. Okay, click on select. Now there we go. So you can also change the color of this to match your brand. We'll get that later. So about our recording studio, you can change this text as well. Yeah. So say about our record, let me just go and say write about us text, because since it already knows what I gave it, so now it will definitely be able to write. You see, where passion meets the world of excellence, commitment, audio. Yeah, I copy this, come back here and paste it, and you can just, so there's not a lot of information, you can keep it like that. This one we can delete it. So here, this one we can remove as well, and request callback. So here you can just say, type this and say, want to book session. Then you can go to the title description. Book your session today. We are open Monday to Friday. Alright, so here I have to put a different picture that matches the vibe. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna remove, go to background. I'm not seeing it at the background, so let me just click on this and click on edit spacer, advanced, scroll down, background, there it is. You're gonna change this and look for another picture, because it seems like he's at work, so like contact us. So I'm gonna paste, copy this, save, go back here and drop it here. Alright, click on select, there we go. So here, make an appointment, that's fine. And then contacts, you're gonna have to go select the contact form. It says error now because you haven't selected one, so select contact form 1. There's the contact form, and you can see it looks like it's hidden because it has this lines here. So you're gonna go to advanced, scroll down, responsive, you can see it was hidden. We're gonna unhide it, there we go. So here you can also edit and say songs mixed, songs recorded, and you recorded those much songs. Then here clients rating, money saved. So you can edit this based on what you need, and then you can say here as well, you can just say so you can edit the rest however you want to edit it. And then we have the testimonials here. That's where you would just, if you have a Google reviews, if your business has Google reviews, you can just embed Google reviews here, or you can just remove it, it's up to you. And latest news, you can remove latest news, remove the lines, remove this. Maybe what we can add now is our work, the work that we have produced. So now we're gonna add a whole new section, where we can add that. So, or we can just duplicate this one, just say duplicate, then we're gonna say our work, Then you can just delete this here, and also gonna delete this. Well, not gonna delete this button, yes. And you're gonna add a HTML, drop it in there. Then you're gonna go get a SoundCloud playlist. So let me go to Reggie Beatz SoundCloud so that I can use any playlist here. So this will be, let's say, is the songs that I've mixed and mastered. I'm gonna pull up here and go to share, click on embed, then click on just copy this here, copy that code. So you can choose the style which you want. You can either make it like this, in which I think it shows better like that, or you can make it like this. So I'm gonna make it like this. Now copy this, go back to the website, and where I put the HTML, which is here, I'm gonna paste the SoundCloud code. And now there's some of the work that we've worked on. I can remove this as well. I can remove also this, remove that. Yeah, so you can add as much as you want to add, you know what I'm saying. So now as you're scrolling down, maybe you can even make it a bit better by switching the sides, which looks better now. Yes, our work, I'll just say the projects we've worked on. Alright, so we can also remove the picture in the background, which is this one, and let this be. We can maybe do some padding to it, so it can be a bit in the middle. Okay, let's see, let's go change the background as well, just make it white like the website. Let me just do this. Wait, why doesn't it? Oh, it's the overlays. The overlays. I need to remove the overlay. There we go. So even here, the color, I need to remove it and let it be default. There we go. So now we can just center this information here. You can just click on the column and then go to vertical alignment and make it middle. There we go. Then scroll down and then click save, update. Okay, cool. So now we have done, I think our page is good enough, it kind of operates, but we need to go check the header. The header currently is looking bad, so let's click on exit. So currently here, when you scroll up, it doesn't show edit header because we are using the free version of Elementor. If you're using the pro version, it was going to show edit header here, but that's where our other plugin comes in, the header and footer for Elementor. So we're gonna go back to the page and go to appearance, go to Elementor header and footer builder. I'm gonna add new, create a new one, click add, click on next. I just skip, and we're gonna call it header, and we're gonna select header here because we wanted to show on the header, and here we're gonna select the entire website because we wanted to show everywhere, and click on publish. Right, so now we're gonna click on edit with Elementor, so that we can edit this with Elementor. Right, so now we can see it's empty. We're gonna go to, let's just add from a template. Click on add template. Let's select the Elementor templates now. Let's see what it has. Look for header. Okay, they're all pro, so that's fine. We'll go to elements kit, look for some headers. I think we go to sections. Okay, let me go to category and search for header. Header, there it is. And here's the headers you can use for free. This one is premium, this one is free. I'm looking for a very simple one. Let me take this one, insert. Alright, so here I'm gonna select the logo, just click on choose image, and I'll just use any of these images here because I'm making an example. I'm gonna use that one as the logo. You can upload your own logo. Go to style, adjust the width of the logo, which is the size, and go back to content. Make sure you align it to the center. Here it's where you put in your menu, but currently we don't have a menu yet, and you can leave that. Click on update. Alright, so let's go back to our website. You can just copy the URL, open it in a new page. Okay, you can see the header is there, but the home page is still not showing correctly, which is fine. You're gonna go to customize and go to home page settings, and your home page must display a static page, which is the home page that we created. Then click on publish. Okay, great. Now you can see that this page is showing this home here and you don't want it to show. Now go back to our, let's close this. So you can go back to our page. So you can remove this. You can click on edit page, but you can also click on edit with Elementor to make it easier, because this is the page you want to edit. Alright, now we're gonna click on the page right here, just anywhere on the page, and here we're gonna go to settings and you'll see hide title. Click on yes. Now the title is gone. Click on update, and then now we can preview the site. So yeah, this is how it is. It doesn't look that bad, and it's a recording studio website. You can see, scroll down, you got the music studio services, we got this, everything looks music related. So yeah, that's how you make a simple website for your business. You can edit more and more, and on the next video I'll just add a menu here, or you can ask questions in the comment section below on what I must add on the next video. You can apply this to any industry, just follow the steps, and Elementor is very wide. You can create everything, you can add more plugins to make it more powerful. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out.